Okay, pag-usapan natin ito. May nagtanong, I think, tita ko ate. Ano daw mas, better option? Sabi ko sana mas healthy pero might be, very different pag sinabi kong healthy. Anong better option in using as a condiment or as arekado sa pagluluto? MSG or monosodium glutamate or salt? Pag-usapan natin yan. Again, this is Doc Chris, your online family doctor, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life. The best answer for that, well, you have to still regulate eating your salty foods.
To the mouth. Nice.
If you have to choose from MSG or salt, I go with MSG. Kasi MSG, as mentioned, is at least it's two-thirds less of the sodium content than your regular salt. Okay, so it's lesser of the sodium, but still, it's still sodium. So if you are hypertensive, okay, if you are having trouble with your kidneys, ganun, or may sakit sa puso, best to shy away on using too much MSG or salt. But if you're a healthy person, you want to choose sa pagluluto mo, MSG versus salt, you use MSG para mas lesser ang salt content. Okay? And additionally, kapag MSG kasi ginagamit natin, monosodium glutamate, meron siyang umami flavor. It's a typical, Southeast Asian or either Western food. Iba yung lasa. Japanese, siguro. Japanese food. Hindi ko lang kung ano sasabi ko. Pero yun. Mas maganda may flavor siya compared sa the typical salty flavor. And then yun, it is more beneficial if, let's say, for example, early stages of hypertension, MSG, okay lang. Pero again, still, if you want to control your hypertension correctly, limit your sodium intake. Okay, at least 1.2 grams a day. So, huwag ka na magdagdag ng mga toyo, ganun. Huwag ka na magdagdag ng additional na patis. So, sobra ka na sa salt, sa asin. Okay? So, iwas-iwas ka doon. So, if you want to choose, again, sabi ko, MSG. Now, hypertension is salt gain, because of salt retention. So, aside from using MSG, you should always keep yourself hydrated. And at the same time, take your medications regularly, like me. And at the same time, do good in your discipline in physical activity, correcting your diet, sleeping on time, and avoiding stress. Oh, plus, avoid smoking and alcohol. Kasi napakainam ang lifestyle change. Aside from that, syempre, involve your family. Kasi your family will also be your anchor para matuloy-tuloy mo yung pagbabago sa inyong lifestyle at the same time controlling your disease. Specifically, hypertension. So, enjoy your MSGs sa pagluluto but not too much. Pag ikaw nagkaroon ng hypertension dahil sa MSG, hindi ko kasalanan. Sinabi ko to sa'yo. Okay? If you find this video entertaining, naantok na ako eh. Kung ano na ginagawa ko. Entertaining, please like the video. You have a comment, reaction, criticism, chat nyo lang sa chat. Give a chat or comment down below. Okay, subscribe to the channel. And hopefully, thank you for those recurring video viewers, kumbaga. And I hope to see you in the next one. Again, this is Doc Chris, your online family doctor. Good night. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.